So, good evening. Today is a really interesting day. I just want to give you a real short update on our Union Pacific, the GP38. We got the encoder mounted in here, but it is not wired up. I'm going to make a separate video for this. So the conversion is on its way on the UP GP38-1, I think it is. And then now, if you remember, we had the BR 118, which was, I thought, just a second. Was made by Piko. But I sent an email after I made the video with our motor issue to Piko, today's Piko, which is now privatized. And they emailed me back and they told me that this was actually made by Gützold. Gützold existed from 1949 until 1972 in East Germany and was a family-owned small enterprise, small business. And then when Erich Honecker took over in 1971-72, he expropriated Gützold from that family, and it became a government-operated business, and their product line was sold under the Piko brand they had. So, and if you remember, the question was in the advertising, it told us the sintered bearings or sintered bushings in our motor housing. And let me just see if I can zoom in here. These are brand new motor housings. Let me see, we can zoom in some more. That's the maximum. These are from East German production days, and I located them at a little tiny model railroad store in the Black Forest. That lady had 5 of them left, which were made probably 1989, 1990, before they closed down. And then Gützold was privatized. And I was able to get 5 of them. These here. 5 of those shields or things. And then one of them has a sintered bushing in it. I also was able to get 5 of these here. And I got 2 new magnets, which are also East German production, and a set of the brushes. So this was an absolute rare find. I looked online and I figured I had contacted Gützold. They were privatized or reprivatized in 1993. And they were in existence until either 2016 or 2019. And then they had to file for bankruptcy. And they were bought by another company, but they have only replacement motors which don't fit the this particular model I got from Gützold. The lady in the Black Forest who owns this, the name of this place where I bought this, or I found it online, is Modellbahn Service, and her name is Inge Deveritz. Deveritz is her name, in Gernsbach. That is in the Black Forest, nestled in there on foothills towards Baden-Baden, in that direction. And she had those, and I think that she came from East Germany and she settled in the Black Forest 30 some years ago. And she brought these parts with her. And now these were the only 5 she had left. She had no more of this side here left. Let me just show you this, the one with the brush inserts. So this side here, she did not have any left. So what she did was, let me see, can we zoom? Ay, ay, ay. Our technology. One day we're all gonna go downhill. And what she did is that this shield is no longer available. And this is the one I did get, and this is the one which was wobbling. Was wallowed out. And she sent me an extra motor, an old one, for spare parts in the case I needed one. And she also sent me an extra used anchor. So I have basically at least two replacement motors, since you can't get any of this stuff anymore. The flickering comes when I start to zoom in here on my phone, because these are pulsed LEDs on these lights. So I just wanted to let you know this, show you this. The parts as you see them here, I paid 17 euros 90 cents. The shipping was 26.50, 26 euros 50 cents. Came out to 44.40 euros, so around $51. But I have now original VEB Gützold East German production motor shields here, with apparently still no sintered bearings in it. We leave it by that. So I will make another video where I'm going to show the rest of the finishing up of the BR 118. And I don't know if I'm going to do this first or if I'm going to do the UPGP 38 conversion with the Lock Pilot 5. I think let me do that first, and then we finish her up. With that, you have a great evening.